Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm an NFI certified expert with Woodland Direct, and today we're going to talk about what you can expect with the installation of a Montigo Distinction direct vent fireplace. The first thing we will install will be the cement board. The cement board will come with your fireplace and it will come in 4 different pieces. You will install one on the top, the bottom, and each sides, and they will mechanically fasten to both the fireplace and your framing. Now with the fireplace secure, let's take a look at the venting. The connection will be found on top of the fireplace and your installer will take care of that. Next, let's take a look at the opposite side of a fireplace. That's where you will find your electrical and your gas connections. Here is where the electrician will bring power to your fireplace. Here is where your plumber will bring gas to your fireplace. Power is required for ignition, for your lights, and for your blower. Next, we want to get access to the inside of our fireplace to install our glass media. In order to do that, we will need to remove both our mesh and our glass barriers. Let's remove the mesh barrier. The way you do that is reach up, grab from the top, pull that mesh down, simply pick it up and walk it out. Now, let's remove the glass barrier. The barrier is attached by multiple latches both on top and the bottom of the fireplace. Insert the tool into each of those latches and pull those out. That will disengage each latch from our glass barrier. Now with the glass barrier unlatched from the fireplace, you're going to use your suction cup lifter, attach that to the front of the glass, and simply remove it. Our final step will be to apply our glass media. That can be done by simply applying the media on the outside of the burner pan, making sure to avoid both the burner and the pilot assembly. That is everything you need to know about installing your Montigo Distinction direct vent fireplace. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.